Have you ever replayed a conversation in your head again and again? Or spent hours thinking about a small decision, wondering if you made the wrong choice? That endless mental loop is called overthinking. And here's the surprising truth. Overthinking isn't just a personality trait. It's actually connected to how your brain is wired. In this video, we'll explore the psychology and neuroscience of overthinking and why your brain keeps getting stuck in these mental loops. Your brain is built to solve problems. Your brain evolved to help you survive. Thousands of years ago, humans needed to constantly think about dangers, threats, and possible outcomes. Questions like, is this place safe? What happens if I make the wrong decision? What could go wrong next? This ability helped our ancestors survive. But in modern life, that same system often works overtime. Instead of protecting you from danger, it keeps analyzing situations that are not actually life-threatening. And that is where overthinking begins. The role of the prefrontal cortex. The main part of your brain responsible for overthinking is the prefrontal cortex. This region controls decision-making, planning, analyzing outcomes, predicting the future. The prefrontal cortex is extremely powerful, but when it becomes overactive, it keeps searching for problems even when none exist. That's why your brain keeps asking questions like, what if I said something wrong? What if I fail? What if people judge me? Instead of solving problems, the brain creates new imaginary ones. The anxiety loop. Overthinking is strongly connected to anxiety. When your brain senses uncertainty, it activates the amygdala, the brain's fear center. The amygdala signals danger. Your brain responds by trying to think harder and analyze more. But the more you analyze, the more uncertain possibilities you imagine, which then increases anxiety, and this creates a powerful loop. Uncertainty appears, brain starts analyzing, anxiety increases, brain analyzes even more. This cycle can trap your mind for hours or even days. Why smart people overthink more. Interestingly, research shows that people with higher cognitive ability often overthink more. Why? Because they can imagine more possibilities and outcomes. A highly analytical brain can generate many different scenarios, including worst-case situations. This can make decision-making extremely difficult. Instead of clarity, the brain becomes overloaded with options. This is known as analysis paralysis. The hidden cost of overthinking. Overthinking drains your mental energy. It can lead to stress, poor sleep, difficulty focusing, increased anxiety. When your mind constantly jumps between thoughts, your brain never truly rests. Over time, this mental exhaustion can affect both productivity and emotional well-being. How to stop the overthinking cycle. The good news is, your brain can be trained. Here are a few strategies supported by science. 1. Write your thoughts down. Writing helps move thoughts from your mind onto paper, reducing mental load. 2. Limit decision time. Give yourself a specific time to make decisions instead of endless analysis. 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness helps bring attention back to the present moment instead of imagined problems. 4. Take action. Action breaks the thinking loop and gives your brain real feedback. Overthinking doesn't mean your brain is weak. In fact, it often means your brain is very powerful. But power without control can turn into mental noise. Once you understand how your brain creates these thinking loops, you can learn to step out of them. And when you do, your mind becomes clearer, calmer, and far more focused. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Psycacademy for more psychology and neuroscience content that helps you understand how your brain really works.